Hi, it's Maria and welcome to my channel. I am so glad you're here. I am a serial entrepreneur, having been in business for over 30 years, and I absolutely love to help people start a business, grow their business, and become successful. On this channel, we talk about all aspects of business, from the behind the scenes nuts and bolts. How do you get started? How do you do this? How do you do that? To marketing and sales, growing a team, having the right mindset, and just so many things that have to do with business. We also talk about specific business models, and I do product reviews, and I just really try to provide and share information and products and services that can help you be successful. So if you're interested in these topics, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel and ring the little bell notification so that you can get notifications of my videos in the future. Thank you and have a great day, and I wish you all the success in the world.